Hi folks, welcome to our week 4 lecture. This is the first of 3 videos for this week and we'll keep it pretty short on this first one. Be sure to have your lecture quiz open. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and open it. So this week we have 4 assignments. There is a discussion board, a response journal, a lecture, and a lecture quiz. And this week we have the midterm exam. The midterm exam opens on Thursday, April 18th at 12 noon, and it closes on Saturday, April 20th at 11:59 p.m. You can start anytime you want to in that 60 hours or so period that it's open. But once you begin, you will only have 60 minutes to complete the exam. Be sure to find a time when you will have 60 minutes of uninterrupted time to take your exam. If you leave the exam for any reason before the 60 minutes are up, or if you pause or something like that, the exam will just be turned in for you by Canvas, and the grade will be based on what it turns in at that time. So, in other words, your exam must be completed all in one sitting. I don't do makeups on exams in late start classes or in online classes. So if you think that this time period is not going to work out for you, I need to know by the first day of the week, which is Monday of week 4. There are several ways you can study for the midterm exam. I'm hoping you've all seen the study guide, which is up in Canvas in modules. It's at the very top of the page. It's there in Word form and PDF. And that will show you what you should study. So allow that to guide your studying. There will be nothing on the exam that is not on the study guide. You should use the lectures to study, use the readings in the book to study, and, look through the videos. They help to understand concepts, but there's nothing there are no questions about the videos on the exam. So once again, the midterm exam opens on Thursday, April 18th at 12 noon and closes on Saturday, April 20th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. And that is the first answer for your lecture quiz. So that's the answer for question 1. All right, so hold on here and go ahead to the next video.